Thermal Research and Development today, and we're getting ready to do the install of the new exhaust system for the 10th Gen 2018 and newer Honda Accord. We're going to start off by removing the stock exhaust system and getting the car prepared to receive the new thermal system. We're going to remove this crossover brace and maintain all the hardware for reinstallation. We're then going to remove 4 screws off the bottom of the dust cover, maintaining those as well for reinstallation to give us access to remove this front pipe. First part we install is the front pipe using the thermal supplied copper gasket and the original equipment nuts. Reinstall the factory hardware on the skid plate. Reinstall this factory crossover brace. The next part we're going to install is the thermal Y pipe. We're going to use the 2.5-inch supplied clamp and slide it over the back nipple of the resonated pipe. We'll lubricate our hanger and slide the clamp together. Now we don't need the pipes to touch, but we want them evenly spaced on both sides of the bracket. We'll tighten this up snug, but it leaves some room for adjustability. We'll tighten this clamp up snug right now. Now I'm going to install the driver's side muffler with the supplied 2.25-inch clamp. Slide it over the Y pipe. Lubricate our hanger sockets. Slide our clamp over evenly on each side. We'll snug it up as well, knowing we'll need to come back and readjust. We'll now repeat the process on the passenger side. At this time, we're going to go over the exhaust system from the front to the back, adjusting it for maximum clearance. Once all the fingerprints are wiped off and we're sure everything's tight, you're ready to go.